How to insert Excel sheet in Word. So if you want to insert your Excel sheet in Word, then first you need to open up your Excel and then also open up your Word. You can go with a blank document on your Word, and under your Excel you can simply choose the sheet that you would like to. So for example, I'll be choosing this one. And here you just need to simply save this Excel file on your computer or your laptop. So go with file and then go with save. So I'll be saving it in my documents. Once you've saved the Excel file, you need to go with the Word document and then place the cursor where you want to add the Excel sheet. Go with insert, go to the right side and then go with object. Under object, you need to go with create from file and then go with browse and choose the Excel which you have just downloaded. Go with insert and then OK. Now your Excel sheet has been embedded into your Word document. You can simply resize that if you want to, and that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.